Imagine waking up to find that the bank holding most of your country's wealth, the savings of workers, churches, landowners, and everyday citizens, could lose billions overnight because of a single government decision. What happens to trust, confidence, and stability when the foundation of an economy is suddenly shaken? The government of Papua New Guinea has directed state departments and state-owned enterprises to move their accounts from Bank South Pacific, BSP, the country's largest financial institution, to the newly licensed National Banking Corporation, NBC. BSP has warned that if fully executed, this move could significantly impact its net profit after tax, which stood at 572 million kina in the first half of 2025. Former Prime Minister Peter O'Neill has condemned the move, calling it madness that undermines confidence in PNG's financial system. Meanwhile, Finance Secretary Samuel Penayas clarified that not all accounts would be moved, only selected ones. This decision comes at a time when BSP controls 60 to 70% of the banking market, employs over 4,500 staff, and has shareholders ranging from super funds and landowner companies to the Catholic Church and ordinary Papua New Guineans. At its core, this decision is about control of financial power. Moving accounts to NBC might strengthen a state-owned bank in theory, but it risks destabilizing BSP, a century-old institution with deep Pacific roots. The risks are enormous. Investor confidence could fall further as BSP shares are already sliding. Superannuation funds and ordinary investors stand to lose if BSP's profitability drops. Businesses and small and medium enterprises may face uncertainty over service delivery and financial stability. But there are also potential opportunities. NBC, born from People's Microbank, and NDB could expand banking access to rural communities and SMEs. The government may be seeking to localize and strengthen sovereign control over financial flows. The real question is whether this strategic shift is a bold vision for inclusivity or a reckless gamble that could weaken the very system it hopes to improve. Do you think moving state accounts to NBC will strengthen PNG's economy or destabilize its banking system? Should the government risk investor confidence to build up a new bank? What does this mean for ordinary Papua New Guineans whose savings and superannuation depend on BSP's stability? From where I stand, this move is not just about banking, it's about trust. Trust in government, trust in financial systems, and trust in leadership. A nation's economy thrives when stability meets innovation. If we chase progress without protecting confidence, we risk collapsing the very house we're trying to build. PNG must find a balance. Support new institutions like NBC for rural inclusion, yes, but not at the expense of crippling a bank that has carried the weight of our economy for generations. This is a reminder that every decision, whether in government, business, or personal life, has ripple effects. When the foundation feels shaken, we must not panic but prepare. You, as an individual, cannot control government policy, but you can control how you adapt, how you protect your future, and how you build resilience in uncertain times. Remember, stability is not given. It is created through wisdom, through courage, and through collective responsibility.